This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Public service announcements. Wherever you go, in a car and listen on the radio or watch the television, we are saturated these days by public service announcements. Make sure you wear your life jackets. Don't let your kids swim alone. Don't drink drive. Don't do drugs. Don't go marching into the mountains by yourself. Don't walk home alone if you're a woman. It's constant saturation and nothing's changing. In fact, all the deaths are on the increase in most of those things I mentioned. And the only people doing any good out of it is these advertising agencies who are making millions, if not billions. And the reason they don't work, it seems, is because Aussies just don't bloody listen. And in talking to them, it's because Aussies seem to know every bloody thing. So how about, as a suggestion, you take all this funding that's going into advertising campaigns that don't work because of you idiots, and maybe put that funding into the schooling system, the roads, or the hospital service. This is Harry Vocal.